Congratulations on your new bundle of joy. The Samsung Galaxy Fold is as delicate as a newborn baby. So get ready, because you've got a lot to learn. Normally, when a phone is born, it's all about new things you can do with it. Open the box to this $2,000 folding phone, and it comes with a long list of things you can't do. What am I getting myself into? After Samsung decided to redo the original Fold last spring, it's back with a hardened screen edge and better sealed hinge. But Samsung is also sending a clear message: baby on board. To start with, no hard objects allowed anywhere nearby that extra sensitive, flexible screen. Baby-proof your bag by removing pens, paper clips, and other pointy things. Even sharp fingernails are a no-no. The Fold does come with a protective outer case, but maybe it should have come with a swaddling blanket instead. Don't even think about putting stickers or anything adhesive onto that precious face. Keep it clean with a soft cloth. No harsh chemicals, of course. Just like belly buttons, this little sucker's fancy hinge attracts dust, lint, dirt, and who knows what. Keep your Fold out of pockets containing stuff that's basically in everyone's pockets. Keys, coins, and other objects that might slip inside the delicate gap between the two screens. Uh-oh, is that wetness I see? Make sure you keep all water away from the Fold. It's not resistant to any liquids. Finally, keep your Fold clear of your credit cards, because its magnetic closure could wipe them all out. Just like a real baby, maybe the Fold will turn out to be more resistant than a new parent might expect. For a little peace of mind, Samsung is throwing in a 24-hour phone concierge and an offer to replace the screen for $150 in the first year. Think of it like a nanny or an on-call nurse. To be sure, the Fold can also bring plenty of joy. At a time when all other smartphones look nearly identical, the Fold invents a whole new form factor. A phone that can unfold into a tablet is truly a precious thing in 2019. Maybe just a little too precious. Welcome to my Gadget Lab. I'm Jeff Fowler, tech columnist at The Washington Post. Real journalism matters. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to follow our latest reporting and analysis. You have no idea how many of these I've destroyed. In the name of journalism.